Ready to unlock the potential of Binance and earn BNB? Let's dive into how you can maximize your crypto rewards. First things first, head over to the Binance website or open your Binance app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Earn section. This is your gateway to various BNB earning opportunities. Explore options like staking, flexible savings, and BNB Vault. Next, check out Binance Launchpad and Launchpool. These are fantastic platforms for new project launches. You can stake your BNB to earn new tokens as rewards. Keep an eye out for projects that offer high BNB rewards. Now, let's talk about staking. Binance offers different staking periods for BNB with varying annual percentage rates or APRs. Lock your BNB for a set period to earn staking rewards. Higher lockup periods often mean higher rewards. If you don't already hold BNB, you'll need to acquire some. You can easily buy BNB on Binance using various payment methods like credit cards or by trading other cryptocurrencies. Remember to regularly review Binance's announcements and promotions, as they often introduce new BNB earning opportunities. Keep experimenting with different strategies to see what works best for you. Happy earning!